Okay, so I woke up this morning and I like laid in bed for like a while, and then my dad came in to say hello, and then he was like, "Did you see your Easter basket?" And I'm like, "What Easter basket?" And then he gave me this with this bunny and a bunch of candy. What has he done? Ugh, that is very unsettling. Wouldn't you say? I'm making a weird YouTube video of just random stuff. I think, I don't know. Alright. I woke up this morning and I was so sweaty. And like, our bed, we have a bunk bed, and like, yeah, it's right here. And since it's right in front of the window and stuff, and the sunrise is like right up there, so I was blinded by the sunrise today, and then I was burned alive. So yeah, I took a shower, so I'm feeling a lot better. But okay, yeah, my birthday was a while ago, but since the whole like I can't speak because of the whole quarantine thing, I haven't been able to properly celebrate it just yet. And I haven't seen my dad in like a month, so we're pretty much celebrating my birthday today on Easter, and we're gonna go get Red Robin. But yeah, I got this fan like 2 days ago for a birthday present, and it's been going on for a while. Oh my gosh! Including our roof, we have 4 stories, and I am going to film me kicking this rabbit down every flight that we have in the house. Oh. Oh my. Yeah. And here we have our handicapped bathroom. Yeah. My horn do be sparkling in the sun though. Oh my gosh, it's Jimi Hendrix. Yeah. Oh my. Oh my gosh, we're actually downtown during quarantine. Woo! To get sick and die.
Yeah, we can head back there maybe. Yeah. You want me to help?
Water. Actually, all of that water kind of makes me uncomfortable, but we're here. And now we sit. These benches are awfully toasty, like how I woke up this morning. I was boiling alive. Alright, we got my food. My food. And Le Coke. And a surprise sundae that I had no idea existed, so thank you. I'm gonna munch. I'm gonna crunch. That's good. Look how long this straw is compared to the cup. Okay, so like, there was like a singular seagull, and then my dad's fiance threw one, and then more started showing up, and now they're not really everywhere, but they're like everywhere now, and they were like nowhere just a minute ago, and it's scary. Yeah. There was just one like 2 seconds ago. What even is that? What? I don't understand. They're just hovering above us. We have summoned them all. They're everywhere. Wait. What? Kind time to eat a sundae, a melted sundae with a fork. That was just pure whipped cream. Oh, you cannot have it! Okay, what if the coronavirus doesn't exist and the actual reason why we're quarantined is because of the seagulls?
What should I use?
Like, they eat people or something, I don't know. Something plastic just went in the ocean, so I guess I just polluted it on accident, so sorry. I've successfully eaten a sundae with a fork. I just had an idea on how to pretty much sum up what just happened. It started with a kiss. Well, it's been a great day today. Can't wait for more. Zoom. Well, that was an experience. I just had some real good turkey for dinner. So good.
These high rise and stuff and like so they're asking, Legolas, what do you see? and he says, shapes of men, blah 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 blah.
Continue for half a mile.
Easter Bunny came to our house too.